Hi friends! In today's video, we will learn one of the most popular and important Excel functions, VLOOKUP. If you work with data, reports, or dashboards, this function is a must-know. So what is a VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP is used to search for a value in the first column of a table and return related information from another column. Simple analogy, like looking up a name in a phone book to find a number. Now let's look at the structure of the VLOOKUP function and explain each part. Lookup value is the value you are searching for. Table array is the table where Excel should search. Col index num is the column number you want to return. Range lookup defines whether you want an exact match or an approximate match. In most real-life cases, we use false for an exact match. Now let's do our first example. Here I have a table with employee data. Each employee has a unique employee ID. I want to find the employee's full name using the employee ID. Excel looks for the employee ID in the first column of the table. When it finds a match, it returns the full name from the second column. As you can see, the result is correct. You can bring other columns like this. Let's move to a second example. Here I want to find the unit price of a product using the product code. Notice that I locked the table using $signs. This prevents the table from moving when I copy the formula. Now, when I drag the formula down, Excel correctly returns the price for each product code. There are some common mistakes you should avoid when using VLOOKUP. Let me quickly show them. 1. Lookup value not in first column. 2. Wrong column number. 3. Forgetting false. 4. Not locking the table. Avoid these and VLOOKUP will always work. VLOOKUP also has some limitations. For example, it cannot look to the left, and it can break if columns move. To handle these limitations, we can use XLOOKUP or INDEX MATCH. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Write in the comments what Excel function you want next. See you in the next video.